Hello, you all are very welcome to LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how you can see user-wise sales data and payment collection in LocalWell app. So let's start today's video. If you want to see user-wise how much sales you have made from which user and how much payment has been collected, then for that see, on the left hand side you will see the top 5 option business reports. Click on it. In business reports, you'll find many types, but now we need the user-wise sales data. First, go to sales reports, then check the sales summary. If you read its description, you will see that it is written here view by product, company, customer, supply, business, user-wise. If you marked it as star, you will see this report in the start section. You do not need to go to the sales report section repeatedly. After coming to sales summary, you will see 4 options above: product-wise, company-wise, customer-wise, and distributor-wise. We have to see user-wise. Click on user-wise and select the date range. We need to see the sales data for this period. For example, select last month. Here, you'll get user-wise sales data, the sales count per user, total sales amount, profit made, and returned sales. Similarly, you can provide user-specific payment collection. Press Escape to return to business reports. To view payment collection, click on Payment Reports. The second option is Payment Register, which can be viewed by invoice, state, and user. Star mark this for now, and it will move to the Start section. Click on Payment Register. You have 3 options: invoice-wise, date-wise, and user-wise. Click on User-wise. Select the date range, we choose last month. You'll get the list of users and the option to expand. Click on the user whose payment collection you want to see, and it will expand. It shows the total payment modes and collection. There are 3 modes: cash on hand, UPI wallet, and bank transaction. You can see the payment transactions with this user, including sales and purchase amounts. Has any purchase by that user been returned? What is the total payment made by that user and how much has been paid out? You will get all payment related information here. If you want to export these reports, see the top right for the export option. Press F4 to export in PDF or Excel. You can also send it directly to the mail, and if you want, you can also take a print out of this report. In this way, you can see user-wise sales data and payment collection in the LocalWell app. For more LocalWell videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment. For help, WhatsApp us. Thank you.